Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger failed to send. To know how to fix or how to solve Messenger failed to send, you should just go to settings. After that you click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about Messenger and you click. Then this page of app info you will click on force stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage. Then we click their case, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.